welcome to my first little 360 camera experiment. I'm here in the streets of Brisbane and I'm looking to do a bit of street photography and just experimenting using the Insta360 camera, which I've got basically strapped to my waist here with the selfie stick attached to me. If you ever think that you feel conspicuous doing street photography, try doing it with a selfie stick coming off your waist. I'm pretty self-conscious right now, but I'm just going to see how this goes, doing a bit of street photography, see how it does recording it with the Insta360. If you're interested in seeing a bit of Brisbane as I wander around, you'll be able to have a look around and see what the streets look like. But this one's probably more for the people who are doing street photography or interested in street photography. Hopefully I get some good shots. Got my Fujifilm X-Pro 2 at the moment and 23mm lens, and hopefully I get some good shots. Let's see how we go. Yeah, this is kind of cool. So we've got two areas here where the sun's coming through, and if I can time it right, I might actually get somebody walking through a patch of light down there, another patch here at the same time, two different people. And drop the exposure down so that it's really deep in shadow, and that might make for an interesting picture. Let's see how we go. So I'm going to go on to manual exposure, 1/250th of a second shutter speed, and I will put my aperture at about 13. Let's see how we go with that. I'll just take a test exposure there. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for. Just need the right people. So this is a street photography technique they call fishing, which is basically you get it set up, you've got a rough exposure kind of worked out, and then you just kind of wait for people to come along and complete the composition. Maybe come across this way a little more. So, how does that look? Oh, I like that. But is it enough for a good composition? That's the question. It's not really enough for a complete composition though. Well, that's cool, and the way it hits people's faces is cool, but just needs something more. So,
what is that?
This is a 360-degree camera.
Oh, is that how they look like?
Yeah, so it's got a lens here and a lens here, and then it connects everything together. Yeah.
So small.
Yeah.
Incredible. I thought it was light meter, that didn't make sense.
Yeah, no, it's...
So then you put it on here and you can actually put it right above it.
Yep. And so I can sort of reframe video to point in any direction after that.
Then you supplement it with your camera.
Huh? Sorry?
Yeah, then you supplement it with your camera.
Yeah, so basically I'm...
Which one have you got?
X-Pro 2, Fujifilm. Fujifilm.
Fujifilm?
Yeah.
Oh.
So basically I'm sort of videoing me taking street photos, and so I can sort of show the video of the process and then put it together with the photos that end up happening. So
yeah, there's nice little cameras then.
They're good little things.
But I never knew it was that small, that one.
Yeah.
Because I've got my Canon G1X in here.
Okay.
But I haven't actually got the courage yet to go and shoot photography.
Yeah. Oh,
anyway,
it's
have a good one, huh?
Yeah, you too.
Cheers.
I actually think the light is done in this area, so I might move on. Cool reflections over here. The challenge here is focusing, not focusing on the actual surface of the glass, but where the reflection is positioned.
Literally nothing more to it than that. It might seem there's more to it than that if you can take it.
That's kind of cool. Yeah, kind of happy with that one.
Hello, Adrian. How are you?
Something not quite. Kinda cool.
Can I see my photo?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Good.
-3 maybe. There's potential to create something cool with the reflections and then something. Okay. But then I'm gonna be in the shot too. Yeah, so when they come across, they end up being more in the
That's okay. And then I went back to 89.
Alright. Let's find a new spot. I have 2 okay photos from today. I pretty much called it a day not long after that. Do you think I got any decent photos? Let me know what you think in the comments, if there are any that you liked in particular. I don't think I got anything all that amazing, but there were a couple I thought were okay. Hey, if you're interested in seeing some other Brisbane street photographers and their work, then check out this video. It's been a bit of a popular one. I think I learned that using the waist attachment for the Insta360 One X2 is not really a great way to go if you're walking around. It's just too jumpy, but yeah, hey, you know, it's all a learning process. It was an experiment I had to do, but give the video a thumbs up if you thought there was anything good about it, if you got something out of it, and I will see you in the next video.